All right, this is the iRobot Roomba, and I'm just going to go over some of the basic controls that the iRobot Roomba has. So I'm just going to go ahead and zoom in so you can see. So if you can see, like right on the top are the basic controls. Right here you have the schedule. You can actually schedule when the Roomba cleans the floor up to 1 time per day, okay, 7 times per week. You can set the clock right down here, okay. Also, you have a dock right here. So you press this, this will automatically try to find the dock and mount the Roomba back on the dot. You have your clean button. You press this and it will clean your room, all right? And then the spot. Now this finds that you place this down in an area where there's a lot of debris, and it will spot clean that specific area. And up top, you just simply have your controls for setting the time and setting the schedule, such as day, hour, and minute. All right, so that's pretty much the controls on the iRobot Roomba. There's a nice handle right here for picking this up and carrying it. But those are the basic controls. Let me know if you have any questions or any instructions on anything. And check the description part of the page, and I'll leave other tutorial videos on this product. Thanks a lot.